right. What's your name, by the way?
Too much skin. Ron.
Gentlemen.
Hey,
Hey, guys.
how's it going?
Good, good.
It's hurt today.
You ready?
Brought my jacket. Actually, it's not too bad today. Last time it was freezing.
Hospital.
Better views. Do you have tutorials online about how to use this? Or?
Yeah. Go to
Ron.
so if you go
Caesar. Ron. I'm Lewis. Lewis, how are you? Were you online last week?
No,
Oh.
no, I was working last week.
so if you go here,
Uh-huh.
go to
Oh, okay. You get it on your website.
yeah, go to
On your rope.
videos.
All right. Oh,
Videos.
perfect. Yeah.
And then training videos. Yeah,
Oh, awesome. Oh, that's already great.
No, you don't need to sign up. I need these guys to sign up.
Bloody week. Very. Very bloody.
Hey, you.
Hi, good thing. How are you?
How's your son?
But our son's good. He's back.
He's back home?
He's back home. Yeah, he went back home.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's okay.
Man, crazy week. Bears and bulls all confused. They don't know what to go, where to go.
Are you guys excited?
Well, better than, it's better than what we had last week. Yeah.
Last week,
Well, this week was really weird. Really weird week.
you had a little reversal, huh?
Well, yes, and then no. And it was just stagnant.
So what you're going to do is now just save everything, okay?
Okay. So you have the software.
Yeah.
The selling fairs. So does it work?
Yeah,
Yes.
but you gotta pay attention. And that's what I didn't do this week. I was working.
So you don't do this full time, obviously.
No, well, I was doing it, but not anymore. But it's still,
Now to launch it, which one way?
you can do it.
So what are we gonna
We can
do?
call it like that. You can.
Okay.
No, he's gonna text, he's gonna be connected to Zoom.
Okay.
Yeah. He says that,
Sorry.
I suggested that maybe on Sunday. Yeah. But no, he's playing more. Yeah, so he was saying that next week.
Okay, guys, I need to take a picture of you. The two of you guys come up. And Ron, I need to get a picture of you too. I didn't get one last time.
Just for the parole board?
Yes. So when you guys become famous traders, you won't forget about us. So if you, just like this here, you see this picture here, you're just gonna hold up this banner, just like this, okay? So just like this here, you're gonna hold up the banner, just like that. So
All do it together?
separate. Just hold it up right there, okay? Get a picture.
You said
Go ahead, right? Yeah, go ahead and reboot for me.
Launch train station again?
Yeah. Okay. And guys don't like smiling, but you can smile. Oh, that's a nice smile. Perfect. Nice. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. What's your name again?
Caesar.
Caesar. Bring it down a little bit.
Bring it out, sir.
Awesome. All right, Ron. There you go.
So, it's your promotion? Promoting your ad.
Yeah, awesome. There we go. Thanks. Okay, we're gonna get started here.
Anybody online?
They might come in. Kim? Hey, Kim.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
All right,
Kim, you're gonna love this.
all
This is
right,
right down your alley.
all right.
Hey, what's happening?
Here's Cam.
All right. All right. You guys have this?
Yep.
And this, what's that? You need one?
Yeah, I got one.
You got,
Last week.
you got one of those?
Yeah, I got it at home. I didn't bring
Oh,
it,
okay,
but
that's fine.
That's
That's
fine.
fine.
Yep.
Rose, you got this?
Yeah, I have it.
Yeah, I have it.
I have it. Thank you.
Hey, guys, go ahead and sign this for me, put your name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it come up?
Yeah, how do I choose, I'm not gonna take up your time here, but how do I choose between Monster Scalper and Sniper Trader? 'Cause that came out, I saw Sniper loading also. Oh, okay, just down here.
So the three, like the three symbols?
Yeah.
We'll go here.
Okay, and then if I want to go Monster Scalper, I just go here.
Monster Stop.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm running her air conditioner, right?
Yeah, it's all cold by now.
Yeah.
That's why I wear this jacket.
Sorry, thank you.
So who trades stocks? Who trades stocks? Who are stock traders? You guys here too? And Forex. You're still working out. You can't get any bigger. But 2 years ago, he was a skinny guy, skinny kid, like my size, smaller than me.
I dropped down by like 12 pounds. I weighed 178.
You wouldn't even recognize him. I have a picture. See, where can I'm gonna find that picture.
Don't do that.
Tiny. Okay, I'll find this picture and give it a start. I gotta do
No,
this.
just start. You don't
I have to do
Man.
this. I have to do this.
He's obsessed now.
Right.
Now he's obsessed.
I have to do this.
Not so much brighter.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Oh, you know
Right,
what?
yeah.
I just got it. It was like on Amazon.
What's this?
It's called a bite cool or something. It was just some other name. Yeah,
Life?
but it's $350 or something like that.
That's it?
300, something like that. Because he recommended just getting a separate laptop. 'Cause I have my other, but
Get out.
just for
Look at this picture.
Everybody's
Tiny. They're like a
yeah,
kid.
it is. This is all I have in here.
2 years ago?
See?
2-3 years ago? Look at that.
Yeah, I just.
You see why I take these pictures?
Yeah, I don't keep it in here.
Dude,
Or
skinny,
blackmail.
Yeah, look at that.
This one?
And today he just loaded this one. I got this a couple months ago. Today he loaded this.
Right now.
Yeah.
All right, guys. It's a big day. It's a big day for us. we finally got, we have in everything we do, right? In everything we do, it's all about getting closer to the money, which is not easy in trading, right? It's really, really hard. We have several systems, and we design them in such a way so that, to always give us an edge, right? To always give us an edge. Like Heat Seeker here, right? Goes out and tracks, over 20,000 stocks every day on high volume to really tell us where the money is moving, right? All our systems, everything is designed to kind of figure out, oh, that's $1. It's $1, only $1 for being late.
Dollar charge.
Yeah. I'm sorry, guys.
Can have a cold chair.
Yeah, right?
Last week, I had a friend of mine, she was sitting there, she was like freezing. It was
Oh,
really
is that
cold.
right?
It was really cold.
And it's usually hot.
This is good, this is actually good.
That's why I moved you over here.
Yeah, right.
You should have had it.
Yeah, because it was right under the bench.
Oh, okay.
We gotta go till 6 o'clock, so we're not gonna go late. It's Friday, I'm gonna get you guys out of here. We're just gonna spend some time on Sniper Trader. I think it's a game changer for us. It's a big deal. It's a
How's it a
really,
big deal? Could you explain
it's
a
a
little
really, yeah, I'll go with it. It's a really big deal. Okay, the problem with trading is that it's difficult to know when the moves are happening, right? And the moves are always based on a catalyst. Okay, and as individual traders, we don't have access to really the information that the hedge funds, the big institutions have. Right? We just don't. It costs money to get that information. Okay, so many times we have to guess. And what happens a lot is this: by the time we figure out, or it comes up on the radar that a move is happening, whether it's Forex, stocks, by the time it's on our radar, it's almost too late, right? Now, we've done a really good job as far as isolating price. We do support and resistance and everything, right? But the real key is getting in before the move. Getting in before the moves happen. Now, we can do a lot of that here, right? We can do the lot, we follow the 4 market phases. We know this is consolidation, and we can get in here, right? And we can do a really good job. But what I would like for us to do is figure out, especially in stocks, right? What stocks are gonna move up? David J. Hey, guys.
Hello.
Oh, David. Hey, David.
There we go.
Okay. So this is a big week. We now have the data. I might get emotional about this. I see it already. I see it coming. I might get emotional about this.
Does anybody have tissues for him?
Bring it out. Bring it out.
I thought emotion in a great way.
All right.
Tears of joy.
Joy. Tears of joy. All right.
So 10 years ago, 11 years now, I designed this system here called Sniper Trader. And this system, we haven't been able to put it to work. We launched it back then. And the problem with my concept with Sniper Trader, like its name, is to find that specific stock, right? That specific stock that we can have so much confidence in, right? So much confidence that we could put a large amount of capital. I mean, a large amount of capital, whether it's 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, and have a high degree of accuracy. That we could get in safely, and get out safely. Within a time frame, without a lot of noise. So, just like its name, Sniper Trader, we want to scope out. We want to scope out the biggest movers. We want to get in before everyone else gets in. We want to be able to put in a large amount of capital, a lot of money, and then get out safely. That's hard. It's really damn hard. Until now. I don't think we've sold, I don't know, we've sold very few systems. I haven't been able to push this system because we just don't have the data. We didn't have the data. I've tried everything. I've tried everything with HeatSeeker to do it, and we just couldn't do it. No, we can't. So I'm really excited about this because I think our traders are going to make a ton of money with this.
This is your excited face, David?
Yeah, that's the exciting face.
Not here.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is what's happening. So here's the concept. So we want to isolate with this system, right? We want to isolate. We want to isolate what's happening in the market. Find very few stocks, 1, 2, 3 stocks, and put a large amount of capital to work in a short time. Get in, get out, without a lot of market noise. The goal in trading is to always, especially in stocks, ETFs, follow the money. We always talk about that, right? What the big hedge funds are doing, what the money managers are doing, where are they putting their money, right? So this is what's happening. This is what's happening. This is why this is a big deal, right? We now have the data. We now have the data to do this. So let me explain. Companies, right? This is what they do. When there's news coming out, big news, earning, whatever, right? Mergers, big news, right? They will hold that information for the weekend. So let me repeat. If there's a company out there, right, and there's good news coming out, they will hold that information for the weekend. Why the weekend? Because they do not want to release it during the week, because it will get crowded with all the other news, right? So they want to hold that news for the weekend. They want to release, they will release that on the weekend, not on the weekday, okay? And what they're hoping is that on Monday morning, when the market opens, guess what? What will happen on Monday morning? They're gonna be all over it, right?
A whole week.
So they're gonna hold it. They're gonna hold that good news. Hold that good news, release it on the weekend. Market opens up. Guess what? It's good news. It's gonna carry that good news for the company for the rest of the week. What will happen with the price of the stock after the news comes out?
Depending on what the news is.
It's very good, depending on what. So if it's good news, what will happen with the stock?
Go up.
It'll go up,
Theoretically,
right? And if it's bad news, what will happen to the stock?
go down,
It will go down.
You know, release the news.
theoretically.
Okay. So we now have access to wires, what's called wires. Okay, what's called wires, which is kind of like a data, like data. Okay. So what we want to be just like the money managers, right? They're taking $1 million trades, right? Do you think they look to minimize their risk? Right? Yeah. So this is what they do. They have inside information, guys. Okay, they all do. They have inside information. So what they do is this. At 3 o'clock, guess what? They start buying shares. So they know, they have an idea of the news that's coming out. So they start buying shares, building position. We talk about this, right? Building positions. But they do it at 3 p.m. So at 3 p.m., and why do they do this? You guys on Zoom, you got this? You hear me okay? Okay, very good. So why do they do this? Why are they buying on Friday at 3 p.m.?
Because the market is usually closed on the weekend.
Because the market is usually closed on the weekend, and why else?
They want to position themselves so that when the good news come out, they're already there. It's just.
So they're positioning themselves, right? Right before the market closes on Friday. So they're locking themselves in. And what else are they doing? They're locking everyone else out. Because if we're getting this data, right at 3, by about 3:30, we'll have those signals, those symbols. We're getting that data. At 4 p.m., the market closes. It's done. You can't get in. No one else can get in. And what they're doing is this. They're buying on several exchanges, right? Hey, guys. Hey, yeah. That's now. Have a seat right here. Open the seat chairs over there. They're building positions, guys. They're building positions. Follow me on this. So we get the data at 3 p.m. We'll know by 3:15, 3:30 what they're buying. So now we're going to piggyback on what they're buying. On Monday morning, what will happen to the price? What did you guys say would happen to the price? If there is good news,
It'll go up.
it's going to gap up. If it gaps up, we're going to get out. And we're going to do that every Friday. Every single Friday.
Now, do you get out before the market opens or after the bell rings?
After the bell rings. Depending on the move, and this is where it gets really cool. Depending on the move, we might stay in a bit longer. All right. So if price is really moving, we could stay in. We might stay in overnight. But most of the time we'll get out. We'll get out, guys, on Monday. So think of it like this, right? Let's talk about this. Because everything we do is about having an edge. In trading, we have to have an edge. What's our edge here? Let me tell you, I've been doing this for a long time, and it's hard as hell. I've been doing this is the best thing that we've ever done. This is the best thing I've ever seen. And this is why those hedge funds, that's how they stay in business. That's why they make so much money, because they've got information that we do not have access to.
Cheat sheet.
Yes. They know when the news is coming out before everyone else. So they get in before everyone else. By the time we get in, usually it's too late. And you will notice, right? A stock will gap up. Let me get in here for a second. So a stock will gap up. So it opens up, gaps up. So here's 930. Okay, price, it gaps up. So let's say it closed on Friday. So this is, let's say Friday, right? It closed at, let's say, $50. Okay. On Monday, it might gap up at that's $100. It gaps up at $100.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Okay, he's getting us back.
Yep. There he is. Okay, Dave, you're muted.
It was already there.
Can you guys hear me?
There we go. Now we can hear you.
Okay.
Do their work. They're disaster.
You're like, what do I do? Stay.
Do I go, do I stay?
You gotta keep it cool. Sometimes you gotta take a little bit of blood. But how success is not bleeding.
We talked that time.
Want to answer your question, David?
Okay.
I remember now. We talked outside.
To answer your question, when the market
I
opens.
remember us talking.
When the market opens,
That's what I-
what's my question?
That's right.
When is the money made?
When is the money made? So when is the money made? When are they making, when are they making their money?
You already made the money.
They've already made their money.
Since they were, yeah, and Friday they started making the money, over the weekend.
When they bought in, so it's just like anything else, right? When real estate, anything, when do you make your money? When you buy, right?
Yeah.
Right. Same thing here. Same thing here. They've made their money right here when they bought on Friday.
Before the market closes.
And they've locked us out. You have no clue. So we get in here, gaps up, we get in here at 20. If we're lucky, we get in here at 120. If we're lucky, it might go to 20, but guess what? We didn't get in here. So now we can. Now we can. It's a game changer. The reason is this. we've minimized a lot of the risk. What's the most important thing though here? What's the biggest thing we've got? What's the biggest thing we've got here? Leverage. So we can do options on this, right? We got leverage, right? Because we're following the money. And we can do options on this, right? We can do options. So not just the underlying stock, we can trade the option too. But what else? What do we have? What do we have that no one else has?
Vision into the future.
Huh?
Vision into the future.
Vision into the future. I love that. Ron, thank you. We have a catalyst. What moves stocks or anything? What moves them? Buyers, right? But what moves the buyers? Information. What about the information? The catalyst, that's good. So let's think about this, right? This is easy. It's an easy concept. But let's think about it. What makes this catalyst really good? Because they're catalysts all throughout the week, right? What makes this really good?
What was going on as far as some kind of current event, you know.
What makes this really good? Anyone? Kim? David?
It's quiet today.
You're basically busting the same moves that the whales are busting,
Yeah.
so that's what makes it really good, because
We
I
go.
doubt they're gonna throw all their money into something that's gonna go into it. They don't do that.
They have heads up.
You know what I'm
Gonna
saying?
happen.
Like, yeah.
Is there a certain time? Like certain time. So guys, the certain time. Good job. The certain time. It's the weekend. Think of it like Black Friday. Who's been to Black Friday? I don't go to Black Friday. I'm afraid, right?
Years ago.
One time.
So think about Black Friday, right? Does it happen every day? It happens when?
Once a year.
Once a year. Yeah, and what happens? What happens? What happens during Black Friday, right?
Right.
Retailers make the most money, really, because people want to buy. I said that's why the retailers making the most money. People want to buy because they got all these bills, so they make all that profit.
Hey, David, let me chime in here.
Okay.
On Black Fridays, guys, that's when the companies actually go from losing money from the year to making money. The money that they make starting from Black Friday to the January time period, it wipes out all the negative losses for the year. That's what makes retail companies profitable. That's what Black Friday is.
Very good.
And to answer your other question too, the reason why this is a good idea, David's system, what he's looking at getting in on Friday before Monday. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it, but a lot of times on Wall Street, Mondays are referred to as merger Mondays. So what that means is news that come out on the weekend that other investors are not privy to. They inside investors, what they do is they get in before that news is posted, and that's usually a Thursday or Friday before the weekend. And then when the news becomes public over the weekend on Monday morning, stocks usually pop up or go down. And inside investors, they have a huge advantage at that point. So that's what he's referring to.
So Cam, How much money can you make with this?
An infinite amount of money. Let's just put it that way. Yeah. Because theoretically, like David was saying, when you leverage up using options, you can use options in a lot of different ways. You can buy call options, you can buy put options, you can sell call options, you can sell put options, you can do a combination of all the above in multiple different ways and time frames and diagonals and what have you. But what this essentially means when you're compounding, you can turn a very, very small amount of money into just a obscene amount of a large money. I mean, that's the advantage that you have because of the fact that you know the information before everyone else. That's what David is getting to.
Tell him I like that word, obscene. Obscene. Obscene.
Thanks, Kim.
It's crazy.
All right. Hey, David, just to give you a heads up, right at 6, I got my Uber car coming. I have to go to the airport. I have to go to back to Michigan and see my brother. He's been rushed to the hospital. The one that has
Okay.
yeah. So right at 6, I'm
Go
gonna
ahead.
hop off. All right.
Okay, so yeah, we'll be done. We'll be done right at 6.
All right.
Wow. All right, we'll be done right at 6. We're just gonna spend some time on this. Okay, it's a big deal.
So
It's a big deal.
I know I missed something, so I just want to make sure I understand. Basically, sniper, trader, it's talking as crazy. Stocks are coming.
Yeah, so that's a good point. So, yeah, so sniper trader, guys, is the system. The data is what we really getting, okay? So the data is not coming from trade station. We are actually buying that data, okay? So we are buying that data and we are going to give it to the traders that are using Sniper Trader. So it's a different data from every other system. That's not coming from TradeStation. Okay, that's a different type of data that we have to pay for. Okay, so the way it works is so the traders that use Sniper Trader, if you want to do this, you have to get Sniper Trader because we still have to track the trade. So we still have to track the trade here. So let me share the screen here with you guys. Okay, so you guys see the screen there? David, Kim? Yeah, okay. So this is Sniper Trader here. So we still need the system, but the data is different. Okay. We'll get the data every Friday. We'll get the data. Okay, with the symbols, right? We'll get a minimum of 3 symbols every week, every Friday. We're not gonna get it any earlier than 3 p.m. on Friday. We're gonna get it because you have to understand that's when they start buying. They start building their positions after 3 p.m. every Friday. So we're gonna get that data, okay, from them, right, with those symbols, and then we'll give you guys those, we'll send those symbols to you guys, okay? And we'll also provide not only the symbols, the option, the best options to buy, right? We're not gonna go right out of the money. We're gonna go barely out of the money, okay? But with the right options, you guys don't have to decide which options to get, okay? We'll tell you which options to get. If you wanna buy the underlying stock, you can do that, okay? But we're gonna track it right through Sniper Trader. If you look at the screen here, we've got it set up for three of your symbols. All 3 symbols will go here. Okay, we will monitor the trades. You still have your buy and sell signals, but we might exit without a sell signal. Okay, so if we feel like, hey, the idea is we want to be in on Friday, out on Monday. It's got to be really, really good and moving, where it's just really moving all through the end of the day to hold it overnight to Tuesday. We probably almost never do that, but there might be some cases where we do that. If the trade is lagging a bit, if it's lagging a bit, and the news is not really taking off right away, we might give it a bit more time, okay, for things to move. But the idea is we want to be in on Friday, out on Monday.
And what time frame are you looking at?
So we're trading, very good question. This is a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is a 15-minute time frame. We might move it back to, we'll see, we might have to move it to a 5-minute. Okay, either a 5-minute, we'll let you know if you need to, this is no sniper trader, this is a private community. Okay, so only those traders within sniper trader will get those symbols. Okay, so the traders or sniper traders got their picks today. Okay.
Symbols. Oh, the symbols.
Yeah. Yeah. The stocks that they're buying. Okay.
And how many does this have?
3. Yeah, we did 4 today, so we did a bonus.
Okay.
We did 4 on a put. Okay, but normally 3. Sometimes we might get more, right? So if we get more, we can add them here. Okay, but we're really looking for 2 or 3. Because again, we're putting a lot of money to work. We're putting a lot of money to work, guys. And we can see, we're going to see a lot of money. Our traders are going to make a lot of money. I'm that confident in this.
Where's the, which is the way we receive the signal when we have the sniper trader? There's in the same system.
Yeah, so the sniper traders, right? You guys will get a separate text alert. Okay, a separate text alert with those symbols. And what you want to do is by 4 p.m. you've got to enter those trades. So you got to stop whatever, bless you. You got to stop whatever you're doing, you got to stop and get into those damn trades. So you got to get in.
It has to, I mean, you gotta basically have knowledge of options.
What's that?
So you basically gotta have knowledge of options, right? That's the only way.
Right.
That's the only way you're really gonna make the money.
Options are easy. Options are easy. You do not have to figure out the type of options. We'll give you the option. Okay, so we'll give you the strike price and everything. Okay, that's the biggest thing with options, knowing which option to buy. Okay, so you get all that information. And
on a sniper.
On the sniper, yeah.
Okay,
So you can do Robinhood. Robinhood is easy, right? Robinhood is easy. You can do your options on Robinhood or any other app.
So to get an example, let's say we have 3 of the stocks. One of them is IBM. We get a text message that says, buy IBM at 3:30 or whatever. Use options that expire blah blah date at this strike price.
Oh, wow, so you give us all that.
All that information, everything. You guys will have everything.
So not only you can buy the stock, you can also have the opportunity to buy the options, right?
You guys will be buying the options. Yeah.
Oh.
Once you
Not the stock,
you can buy the stock, but once you get going, you realize you can make so much. The money is crazy in options. You'll make more money in options.
So the option is on
Okay, I got it.
the option is it going to be daily or weekly? I mean, the signal that you get for the option.
Weekly. Fridays. Every Friday afternoon, 3 o'clock. So only Friday.
Only on Fridays.
Now, have you done this already? Has this been launched?
Yeah, we have the data has been tested.
So what about the track record? The track record you have so far that shows success rate.
I sent some stuff. I sent some.
Yeah, I saw something, but I didn't see like a success rate, like.
Yeah.
Out of
It's
the stocks that we
81.
sent.
It's 81%. It's a high rate. 81%. 81%.
Usually, the expiration date of the contract of the options is month to month.
I'll give you an example. So I can give you a symbol. Okay, but we got in one today. The expiration is, when was it? November 1st. November 1st, right? Was it November 1st, okay? So that gives us enough time.
Oh, no, the expiration, and October 1st.
October,
Wait.
yeah, October 1st, October 1st, October 1st. So that gives us enough time. All we're looking for is that spike. We don't want it far out. Okay,
October 1st or November?
October 1st, October 1st, October,
Next week, next Friday,
next Friday.
Saturday.
We'll be out by Monday. We'll be out on Monday.
So you exercise, so you're gonna buy the options on Friday. By Monday, you get out of it, but you're buying the options that expire on Friday. So you don't let it be. So what's that stock?
It's a big, no, you can't get it. It's a big deal. Don't you tell them. Don't you tell them.
Why not?
Don't you tell them.
It's a free country, so I'm saying. Share the information. Want to see what you do is right. Want to see the bribes?
We'll post the
You gotta
results.
make me ask.
We'll post the results on Monday. So every Monday, after we close the
Oh, yeah,
trades,
that's good. That's
we'll
good.
post the results.
You have a Instagram or Facebook or what? Where did you post
He's
that?
gonna text.
Yeah, we do
Okay,
text.
gave him your number, now he's gonna text you.
We'll text you.
Well, David, I think you can tell them now because
Huh?
I think you can tell
Oh,
them
yeah, I can tell you, guys.
Now
now.
it's too late.
Well, yeah.
No,
It's already 6
o'clock.
o'clock.
I can tell you guys. There you go.
Okay, good. I'll pay you $5.
I'll wait until he comes back.
It was 3 to 4.
It's already late, it's already late, I already missed it, so.
Yeah.
You guys are terrible.
Let's start with the first letter.
You guys are terrible.
Wow.
And Rose, she's the ringleader.
What's your rate?
Rose is the
What's your
ringleader.
rate? Hey, Ron. First letter starts with an animal.
What's that?
It's an animal, what's the first letter? Just say the animal name.
What was it? I can see.
Oh.
Say it. RCM.
I'll post them on, I'll show you, I'm gonna bring them up so you guys can see exactly how
Thank you.
it's gonna be laid out.
It's in my phone. Be careful.
Extreme. To make money, like you lose money.
My phone is charged over there.
I recommend it. Yeah. You don't have money to.
Okay, guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Kim, David?
Close at 90.69. Well, it's 9.69.
Okay, so here are the symbols and the the options. Okay, so here's the ticker. Royal Caribbean. Here is the stock price. 90.42. It's a call.
You put a limit price. Let's see. I already got that one. I already got Nike.
Nike.
Yeah, but I'm at a straight price of 160.
So when we send out, when we go with these, don't try to figure out, go with these 5 prices.
And the limit price you're saying is, it's not really relevant, right?
Huh?
The limit price is not really relevant.
And then win, this is a put, right? So this is win here, this is a put. So we're anticipating that bad news, not good news, bad news will come out over the weekend. Okay? So those are the four. This is a bonus. This win here is a bonus. So we have 3. So you guys will track these. We'll on Monday. We'll send you guys. You'll start to see news over the weekend.
So I want to understand this a little bit. So the first figure that indicates the price is going off. The kind of data sniper you get for the sniper trader shows that it's been a lot of buy on these 3 particular stocks. What about the one that says put?
Price is going down.
But it's the opposite.
But we don't have, okay, so now, I'm glad you mentioned that. We're not measuring price like we normally do. No, we're not even doing that. On our end, we're not analyzing any price.
What is it?
We just anticipating. There's no move yet. Okay, the move happens when?
Monday.
Yeah. So don't look at the symbols. So let's put this. So don't look at the symbols and say, hey, well, it's not moving. No. It doesn't matter what it's doing on Friday. Everything, the charts, everything will change on Monday. Okay. So let's take a look at, let's put a few of the symbols in here. Yeah. So we've got, and we've got 8 more minutes. So let's just put in 3 symbols here. So here is Royal Caribbean.
Royal Caribbean's on an uptrend. Getting distribution.
Here's Nike and Texas Instruments.
Hey, David, you know what's so crazy? This is my first time looking at this. And I've been buying Texas Instrument, those 202.50 calls all day.
You have?
Yeah. Yeah, because the ones I bought this week, they expired worthless. But I was looking at the chart formation, and I know this is not based on chart formation, but what I did is I went right back in and I bought them that's going to expire, those same ones, the October 1st 202.50 calls.
You
I've been
did?
buying them all day long.
All day long. So you in there pretty good?
I'm in there in a 90-degree angle I'm in.
A lot of interest.
So you're gonna get a nice pop.
So Nike's gonna have a.
And Cam has been trading options for a while. He knows what he's doing.
So.
Okay, but guess what? He's been trading, one second, Mike.
Yeah.
He's been trading for almost 20 years. He knows what he's doing. So the cool thing about this is that we don't have, I mean, it's great that I've been doing this for a long time. He's been doing this for a long time. I know Ron has been doing this for a long time. We can take, the cool thing about this is that you don't have to have a lot of experience. We can take someone that doesn't trade options, never traded options, okay? And have them do this, okay? And have a high success rate, just like someone that's been doing it for a long time. Because guess what? You don't have to do all of the work. We're gonna get the data at the right time. We're gonna get in at the right time. We're gonna give you the options to trade, and we're going to get you out at the right time. Okay, and the idea is that everyone makes money, regardless of their skill level. Okay, we're gonna set it up, and that's my goal. That's always been my goal, where regardless, okay, that's why it's called Monster Trading Systems. Fire your broker. right? That's why you have that banner, right? You hold that banner up, that's what it says. So that each and every one of us can compete and have a chance to make a lot of freaking money without a
Hey,
lot of
David, can I
work.
say something else?
Yes, 5 minutes.
Hey, guys, real quick. This stock, those 202.50 calls that I've been buying all day, the open interest on those are 20 contracts. That's the number of shares that's held from one day to the next. The volume on those 202.50 calls that's going to expire next week, the volume, 6,973 contracts.
Yeah, I'm reading it. I'm reading it right now.
That's like a hand coming out of the screen, slapping you on the face saying, wake up. That is huge. A volume of 20 open interest of 20 contracts. And now all of a sudden today you got 6,973 contracts. What David is talking about, that's institutional buying. Plus Kim Jackson, but that's institutional buying.
All the work is done for us.
So you can still make money. You don't get out, you can still make money, even after Monday. Still make money, you just gotta be careful. It's been a volatile week.
Any other questions? Because we're wrapping up. We're done, guys. We're done. We're gonna be we're gonna be pushing this really hard. Yeah, we are going to be pushing Sniper Trader and this weekend trading with this data that we're gonna be pushing it pretty hard. Not that the other systems and everything else is not important, and we'll do that during the week. But come Friday, you know, that's it. Friday, Monday, that's going to be our focus. And I want you guys to have the mindset, because we always tell traders, hey, you know, start off with a little bit, trade with a little bit of money. With this, it's different. We want you to go for it. Yeah. Yeah. With this, I've got so much confidence with this, is that I really want you guys to go for it. 81%. Yeah. I want you guys to go for it, where you're making, you know, you're taking 3 positions, you put a grand on each or 500 on each, or, you know, and you're making $2,000 or $3,000 that weekend. And then you do it again the next weekend. So then in a month, you might have made $12,000, $15,000, $30,000. Okay?
Today I made $2,200 on a $6,000 investment.
Options, yeah. So this is not the system, right, to hold back. It's called Sniper Trader. We are going big with this. We're going big with this. And I want, you know, we want to post stories where traders are making $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, $100,000 in a month. And we're going heavy on this. Because we have the data. I don't think you guys realize we have the data.
What's the numbers on this?
Let's see it.
Huh?
What's the numbers on Sniper Trader?
What the numbers? What
Yeah.
you mean?
Cost.
The cost $11.99.
That's for
$11.99.
the package they have to pay every month.
Yeah, so that's for the system,
Right.
okay? And then the data is $50 per month.
Oh, that's not bad.
$50 per month for the data. We have to charge you for the data because it's different data. Okay, so it's $50 a month for the data. But it's a game changer. It is, I mean, I haven't been able to sleep. It's my sons took trades. They took trades with it. My sons are so excited. They took trades with it.
So when are you gonna take us out on your yacht? Question.
I'm not into yachts.
No, come on. I help you.
I'm not into yachts. But we're gonna make a ton of money. All of us, we're gonna make a ton of money. We're gonna make a lot of money with this. I'm really confident, guys, with this. Because it's we've got the data. And at some point, I want to figure out how we can do that with Stockbox and some of the other systems out there. Now that we have the data, I want to see what else we can do with it. But for right now, Sniper Baby.
I'm literally waiting for the tear to fall.
Oh, I've been crying over at home. Yeah, man. Yeah. Don't mention it. I'll start tearing up. Guys, this is a lot of freaking work. I mean, it's the type of work that you know, and what happens is this, right? I mean, I've been doing this for 25 years, and the information that we had back then compared to the information we have now is crazy. So we're getting closer and closer. You know, this is really close. This is not even close. We're right there. We're right there with it. We're right there with it. Which is big. We're right there with them.
You just gotta get in where we fit in before they find another workaround.
No, this is it. This is it. This is it. We're right there. This is it. Not everyone has access to this data. We're lucky to have it.
That's all I needed to hear.
Yeah. We're lucky to have it. And the Wall Street firms, they pay a lot of money for this data. They pay a lot of money for this data. So we have it now. But you guys are gonna have to pay for it. $50 a month. That's it.
That's a small price, I think.
That's it.
Yeah, it's a small price.
Nothing, if you're gonna make $1,000 a week.
I want to get it.
Okay, we gotta go. Cam, you gotta leave, right? I think he left already.
Thank you, Kevin.
David left.
Kevin. Okay.
All right, guys. We'll post the results on Monday.
Thank you.
You use it, you use it,
I think that's what I talked about.
All right, guys. Go back next week and we'll talk about scalper.
Yeah, we'll talk. We'll talk. We'll talk. We'll get.
That's basically what I was doing. Oh, just now? I just on
Do they have one?
Bro, don't get out of there.
One question there.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna couple names or your name.
Yeah. I'll text you.
So.
I'll text you.
It's going down.
Yeah. Predict the stock's gonna go up, versus predicting the stock's gonna go down. So you look for the 202, 202.50 right here. All the ones that are in blue is that you're in the money. All the ones that are outside of the money, you're out of the money.
So the website I gotta go to is sniper trade back.
So.
All right. So I'm going to
Scroll over to the right.
Yeah, cause I've been shoving him and he got into it, cause I've been looking into that option and he got into it before.
73.
So I will,
Yeah, let me get
Now,
it
the
because
open
this
interest
is
is very low. So I don't know if I trust.
I understood,
this.
but
Oh, okay, you will.
like coming here and visually.
Yeah,
seeing
that's
it,
why
it's
that's
like
why
something.
I'm sorry.
It's
I'm not-
713
Yeah, the higher the better. That means there's more interest in this one, which is the 95 straight. So if it goes above 195 plus premium, because you have to pay for
That's
the premium.
Emmanuel.
So the premium right now is $6.60 per contract. It's not cheap.
Yeah, cause I started robbing it, I messed up.
It
I
drops
said
down.
I had $14,000, so I was telling him to get
Yeah, that'll be.
when I was hearing the rumors about that one cryptocurrency, it hit 14,000 and I slept on it and I was all like, I'm never again.
We'll get you straight. Go ahead and hold this for me here.
No
He's
problem.
going for
This is
that.
gonna take a picture just like this here.
Okay.
Well, it changes constantly.
Yeah,
That's
just
like
stand
the
right
stock
there.
market, it changes constantly all day long. So the ask was 150.
Oh.
Roll it all the way out, right? Yeah.
That's the cost for, so times 100. Divide it all. So per contract is 153, so you multiply it by 100.
Very nice.
I'm gonna take forward over there, no problem.
It'll be 150.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, I'll send you the information.
Not bad, it went up 71 cents.
Excuse me, yeah, because.
Yeah, with us, with this, you don't even have to understand it, you just gotta get in.
Okay,
Because we'll show you which ones to get in.
okay.
So that's.
So we'll see. Not that I'm good at it. I know how to read it.
You'll have my number.
Options, I'm just getting
Okay,
into
got it here, and then I'll send you the information. I'll send you, later this evening.
Okay, okay.
No problem.
It depends, I look at the 50-day average, I look at the charts, how the patterns are.
Okay, nice to meet you. man.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Sometimes I listen to other.
All right, Dave.
David, when you're not gonna be that much busy.
Sometimes
He's
I.
gotta be busy.
Uh-huh, Moderna, I had a meeting with Moderna.
Yeah.
Now I want a lot of things. Oils. Yeah.
I started working and
They're looking at essentially $80 a barrel.
Yeah, I was over.
I don't have the
Time. With this,
Hopefully it's not this.
yeah, with this,
I mean, I
we
already
don't
made
need
money
the
on
time.
my calls for pay stocks. And then it didn't go as high as I wanted it today, but it's only the first day, so I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, till Monday, hopefully it'll explode. Well, this week was a weird week, it was like, too many bearish days, and
Okay, buddy.
just now
Nice
this
to see
last
you.
2 days, it made up for all the difference.
David, thanks very much. You're gonna get busy, I can see.
Yeah.
It's good to see you. Thanks very much. I'm looking forward to this. I'm excited about it.
Catch up next time.
I'm going to, yeah, it'll all be set up
Yeah,
and,
it'll be set up.
yeah, and as soon as you contact, I'll start increasing. That's the way you guys, that's the way you run. I'm excited.
See you, Rose. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Are you guys in?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.
Which company?
Yeah, I'm gonna get, I'll get it up to 10,000 on the trade eventually.
You do that.
Yeah. Thanks, David. Looking forward to it. Thanks so much.
You guys found out about this?
Yeah.
Or something? No, we hear about these plays online. Oh, online. So meetup? Yeah, we're looking for trading academy.
Oh, okay.
Google.
Okay.
It was, and it's popped up. Yep. That's cool. Yeah, we come last week here, but,
You guys came last week?
no. Yeah, we come here last week, but
We didn't have
called
class.
you, we called you and they say us here. It's every 2 weeks. It's every 2 weeks, yeah, we was thinking it's like a
Set.
thing.
No,
yes.
it's every 2 weeks, he's got it, right?
Yes, every 2 weeks.
Cada 2 semanas.
So we'll have the next one
2 weeks.
in 2 weeks. Ron, pleasure. Good stuff, huh?
That's good, that's
It's
good.
good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good stuff.
I'm glad you got a product that can guarantee,
Yeah.
because it's so hard to find stuff like that. So we'll see what happens Monday.
Yeah, we're gonna be tracking those
Yeah.
every week.
Yeah.
Every week.
Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Okay.
I'll catch you next time.
Next time, okay.
See you guys.
Okay.
Oh, I gotta bring somebody today, but he couldn't make it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, from my, he's into Forex. The guy
Forex?
that I sent that text to.
Oh, yes.
He's into Forex, so I was gonna bring him over.
Yeah,
He
next
got
time.
out of work, it's out of work at 5.
Oh, that's tough.
So I don't know if you have another class later, or you always have.
No, he can come later. He could just come in late.
Yeah, that's what I told him.
Yeah, just
I told
come, yeah, even if it's, half.
I'll tell him next time
Okay,
for the 2 weeks.
all right, thanks, bud.
Okay, yeah. Okay,
Okay,
this is gonna be very,
okay.
he's my boss. He's not company owner of the program of Forex and futures trading. He doesn't speak English.
And
Oh, okay.
that good. He tried to speak with you on the phone, so.
Yeah, so, okay, so who is, you Caesar
Yeah, I'm Caesar.
and
Will.
Will, okay, so let me put here. This is Will, this is your phone number. So it's 305 251. Is that, what is this? 251
12, 22.
1222. That's Will. I took that. Six, 606. Okay. Okay, so you have a question?
Yeah, we have proposed, because we have many academies like your academy working with us, and not here in Central Florida, but in South America, Central America, and here in the United States. So we have the program of funding program. You know what a funding program is? But the people they make a contest, and if they approve, our company gives the money to the people they make trade.
Okay.
Futures market and Forex market. With MT5.
Trader 5.
El Forex lo trabajamos con Ninja Trader y se puede adaptar a PlayStation.
Forex, we work with Ninja Trader.
El futuro.
Futures, we do it with Ninja Trading. We are vendors of Ninja Trader as well.
Okay.
What we offer to the academies, they don't have to pay nothing to the company.
Okay.
We give an incentive on the exams, on the contest. Example, we have in the futures trading, we have 4 exams, right? 4 exams, and the prices are $149. For if the person wants the $25,000 account, they have to pay $145 so once for the exam, and this is the what they have to do. They
So
have
you want, well, I don't understand what's, so what are you asking? What are you guys asking?
Yeah, if the academy take our service with the students, we give to the owner academy 20% of the sales of the product.
So you want us to sell our product, our systems to the academy?
No. You have the sniper
Trader.
Sniper trader, yes. And you have the membership for $50 as a month.
Yes, $50
for the signals, right?
Yes.
Some people, they don't have money to do trading, right?
Yes.
Most of the people, they don't have money to make trading. So we offer an option if they it's an exam, a contest. They use the Ninja Trader system with paper money. If in the month they make $1,500 of target of profit with a max of 3 contract positions, and there's a lot of requirements there. And we give an account with $25,000.
So are you a broker?
Yes,
You're a
Yes.
broker.
he's a broker.
You're a broker.
Mhm.
For which brokerage company?
Ninja Trader Broker.
Ninja Trader.
Ninja Trader.
Dile que nosotros somos partners de Ninja Trader y de
Partner of Ninja Trader.
Okay.
And we are broker of Forex market with NVDA.
So Forex market trader in Orlando?
In Orlando, yeah.
Which one? Which location? The location on
No, the company the broker we have with Forex is outside United States.
Oh, okay.
La de aquí adentro, la de mercado.
The one we have here in
Can you guys call? Can you call me? Can we talk? Because I have to go. But can we talk on
better meeting we can see and we can put this over.
Yeah, let's do that. Can you do that Monday?
Yeah.
Monday, around, let's do next, can you do next, Wednesday? Can you do Wednesday at 4? Wednesday at 4 here?
You can, I will text you the our website. You can
Yes.
check it out.
Yeah. Yes, text me the website, everything, and let's plan on Wednesday at 4. Wednesday at 4. Okay? Okay, guys. Okay, it's a pleasure. Thank you, guys. Nice to meet you guys. Okay, take care. Thanks, guys. I'm coming. Which country you guys from?
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Do you guys trade too? What do you trade mostly?
Mostly options.
Options? You should do this.
Yeah, it looks good. We use other strategies, different strategies. That was the reason I asked you at the expiration that you have to contract.
Oh, okay.
We get contracts like for 3 months.
3 months. Maybe.
Yes, I see.
Yeah. Okay, thanks, guys. Okay.
See you on Wednesday.
On Wednesday. Come, send me a text.
Yeah, we'll text you the
Website. Okay.